Come on, let's go, mommy. All right, come on. Turn around, let's talk to the people. So we have to say, for this mini Bernadoodle, this is an absolute lifesaver because I don't want her shooting off the side of the bed. She can't get up on her own, but now, watch this, she just goes right down, like that. And then when I'm like, snuggle time, she comes right back up. So if you want your pup or your cat, especially if you have an older dog or something like that, to be able to get up and down on the bed safely and easily, this is a great answer for you. You cannot possibly go wrong with it. Okay, so there's a link on the screen so you can get this. You definitely need it. And if that functionality isn't there, it is in the description like always. Remember to like, subscribe, follow. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We're happy to answer, especially about cute little Bernadoodles. In any case, I'm gonna come back with more adventures for my little Sunday here, who I love so much. We're gonna do so many cool videos with her. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see all the antics. We'll see you in the next video. Cool beans, thanks, hon.